In today's rapidly evolving financial markets, having the right knowledge, credibility, and regulatory understanding is essential for building a successful career. This is where NISM certification plays an important role. The National Institute of Securities Markets, commonly known as NISM, is an institution established by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. NISM was created with the objective of enhancing professionalism, competence, and ethical standards in the Indian securities markets through structured certification programs. NISM certifications are highly significant because they are closely aligned with regulatory requirements. Under SEBI regulations, many roles in the financial services industry, such as mutual fund distribution, investment advisory, research analysis, trading, and market operations, require mandatory NISM certification. Obtaining a NISM certification enhances professional credibility and demonstrates compliance with regulatory standards. These certifications provide strong conceptual clarity, practical market understanding, and improve employability across banks, brokerages, asset management companies, and advisory firms. For students, NISM certifications offer a strong foundation to enter the financial markets with confidence. For working professionals, they support career advancement and professional upskilling. Overall, NISM certifications serve as a gateway to structured learning and long-term career opportunities in the Indian securities markets.